Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math classes and this is Anita Misra here. Today I have taken class 10 chapter 12 areas related to circles and we have already completed chapter 8 and 9 trigonometry and its application. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch more video. So today we are going to start exercise 12.1. So before going to start this exercise, you should know circumference and area of a circle. So what is circumference? So distance traveled around a circle is called its circumference. So let us draw a circle. Suppose this one is a circle with radius r. R is the radius of this circle. Then what will be circumference? Yes, right here. Circumference is denoted by capital C. So write here C. It will be 2 pi r if r is the radius of the circle. So this distance traveled around a circle is called its circumference. Okay. Then what is area of a circle? Yes, the region enclosed by this circle is called its area. So we can write area of a circle is equal to area of a circle is denoted by generally A. So write A is equal to pi r square. So we are going to use these two formulas in this exercise. So let us start exercise 12.1. So let us see our first question. It is the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Here radius of two circles are given. This means R1 and R2 are given. So first write what is given. Right here R1 is equal to 19 centimeter. R2 is given 9 centimeter. And we have to find out radius of third circle. So let us suppose let the radius of third circle is r centimeter. Then what is formula for circumference? Yes, first write formula. Right here. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Then circumference of first circle. What will be? Right here. Circumference of first circle will be 2 pi r1. Put the value of r1. R1 is 19 centimeter. So it will be 2 pi 90. Right here multiplied by 90. Then circumference of second circle. Right here. Circumference of second circle. It will be 2 pi r2. Then put the value of r2. It is 2 pi. In place of r2 write here 9. So write here 9. Then write circumference of third circle. Here radius of third circle is r. So circumference of third circle will be 2 pi r. Then according to question, what is condition is given? It is given sum of circumferences of two circle is equal to circumference of third circle. So right here according to question So according to questions, it will be right here 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 is equal to 2 pi r. This is the condition. It is given. So right here 2 pi, right here 19 plus 2 pi 9 is equal to 2 pi r. Then we can write, take common 2 pi. So it will be 2 pi. Here it is 19. So right here 19. Here it is 9. So it will be 19 plus 9 is equal to 2 pi capital R. 19 plus 9 will be 28. So right here 2 pi into 28 divided is equal to 2 pi r. Then what will be r? We have to find out r. So r will be 2 pi into 28 divided by 2 pi. 2 pi is divided by 2 pi, it will be 1. So r will be 28 centimeter. So radius of third circle will be 28 centimeter. So this is your answer. Radius of, see our next question, question number 2. It is the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having the area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Here also R1 and R2 are given. So first write what is given. Yes, here it is given R1. R1 is equal to given 8 centimeter. Yes, and R2 is given 6 centimeter. Then let the radius of new circle. Radius of new circle is r centimeter. Then what is formula for area of circle? Yes, right here. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So area of first circle will be right here, area of first circle. Area of first circle will be pi r1 square. Now put the value of r1. Right here pi, in place of r1 write here 8 square. And write also area of second circle. It will be pi r2 square. Now put the value of r2. So it will be pi, r2 is 6, so square of 6. Then area of new circle will be area of new circle. Pi, here radius is r, so write here capital R square. So according to question, so according to given condition, right here. It is given sum of area of first circle plus second circle is equal to area of new circle. So right here pi r1 square area of first circle plus area of second circle is equal to area of new circle. New circle is pi r square. Now right here pi r1 is 8, so 8 square plus right here pi r2 is 6, so square of 6 is equal to pi r square. Now we can take common pi, so take common pi. So it will be pi 8 square. Here it is 8 square plus in second term it is 6 square. So right here 6 square is equal to pi r square. So it will be pi square of 8 will be 64. 64 and square of 6 will be 36. So right here 36 is equal to pi r square. So we can write pi, this will be 100. 64 plus 36 will be 100 is equal to pi r square. We have to find out r. So what will be r square first? R square will be 100 pi divided by pi. Divide this pi. Pi divided by pi will be 1. So r square will be 100. So what will be r? R will be plus minus r. But here it is radius. Radius is a distance. So it will be positive. So r will be plus 10. So right here radius 10 centimeter. So we can write finally radius of new circle is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is your answer. So let us start question number 3. It is figure 12.3. This one depicts an archery targets marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter. This one. And each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Each band is this one 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each 5 scoring region. Here we have to find out area of each 5 regions. Okay. So first of all we have to find out area of gold region. So what is given? It is given diameter of this region is given 21 centimeter. So first write radius of this gold region. Right here. Radius of gold region. So radius of gold region will be 21 divided by 2. So it will be 10.5 centimeter. Then area of gold region. Area of gold region will be, what is formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. So first write formula pi r square. So right here value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r is equal to here 10.5. So right here 10.5 square. So first write 22 by 7 and write here 10.5 multiplied by 10.5. Then divide this 10.5 by 7. Divide this 7 1 ja 7, 3, then 7 5 ja 35. So it will be 1.5. Multiply 22 1.5 into 10.5. You will get 346.50 centimeter square. This will be area of this gold region. Now we have to find out area of this red region. For this red region, the radius will be 10.5 plus 10.5. So it will be 21. So write right here area of red region. So area of red region will be, right, area pi, this one, this radius will be 10.5 plus 10.5, it will be 21. So right here pi 21 square. This will be area of this red region including this gold region. So we have to subtract this area of gold region. Then we get area of this band, red band. So this will be pi, and area of gold is pi into 10.5 whole square, because radius of gold region is 10.5. So take common from here pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So write here directly 22 by 7. So it will be 21 square minus 10.5 whole square. Then write 22 by 7. This one is a square minus b square. So we can write a minus b into a plus b. So it will be, when we add 21 plus 10.5, we get 31.5. This will be a plus b. And what will be a minus b? It will be 10.5. Now divide 10.5 by 7. We get 1.5. So we can write here 22 multiplied by 31.5 multiplied by 1.5. When we multiply, we get 1039.5 centimeter square. So this will be area of this red region. Now we have to find out area of blue region. So what will be radius for blue region? For blue region, radius will be this radius of red region is 21. So it will be 21 plus 10.5, because each band has width 10.5. So radius of blue region will be 21 plus 10.5. And we have to subtract area of this red region. So we can write area of blue region. First write area of this blue circle. It will be pi and radius will be 21 plus 10.5 square minus area of this red circle. It will be pi, in place of r, radius of r will be here 21 square. So r square. Now take common pi. So it will be 21 plus 10.5, it will be 31.5 whole square minus 21 square. In place of pi, write 22 by 7. Here a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b into a minus b. So what will be a plus b? It will be 1 and 1, 2, and 3 and 2 will be this. A plus b and a minus b will be 10.5. Then divide this 10.5 by 7. We again get 1.5. Now we have to multiply 22 into 52.5 into 1.5. So we get our answer 1732.5 centimeter square. So this one is area of this blue region. Area of this black region right here. Area of black region. It will be pi. For this black circle, the radius will be 31.5. Radius of blue circle plus 10.5. So radius will be right here 31.5 plus 10.5 whole square minus pi. Radius of blue circle is 31.5. So it will be 31.5 square. So take common pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 right here. 31.5 plus 10.5 will be 42. So right here 42 whole square minus it will be 31.5 square. This one is in form of a square minus b square. So we can write 22 by 7. A square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b will be here. First write 0.5, then 1 plus 2, 3 and 4 plus 3, 73.5, and a minus b will be 10.5. Again divide this 10.5 by 7. We get 1.5. Now we can write 22 multiplied by 73.5 multiplied by 1.5. So when we multiply, we get our answer 2425.5 centimeter square. This is area of this black region. Okay. Now we have to find out area of this white region. So right here, area of white region. So area of white region will be, first write pi will be pi, radius will be, for this white region, white circle, it will be right here 42 plus 10.5 square minus pi into 42 square. So we can take common pi. Pi means 22 by 7. Take common. So it will be 42 plus 10.5 will be 52.5 square minus 42 square. So we can write 22 by 7. This one is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b will be 5 right here. 2 and 2 4. 4 and 5 9. This one. And a minus b will be 10.5. Then divide this 10.5 by 7. We get 1.5. When you multiply 22 into 94.5 into 1.5, you get, so we get our answer 3118.5 centimeter square. This is area of this white region. So this question has been completed. So let us see our next question. It is question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Here speed of car is given 66 km per hour. That means distance traveled by car in 1 hour is 66 km. And distance covered by a wheel in one revolution will be its circumference. So here diameter is given. Diameter is given 80 centimeter. So radius will be 80 divided by 2. Yes. So it will be 40 centimeter. So first we find out circumference of a wheel. So let us find out. Here r is equal to 80 divided by 2. So it will be 40 centimeter. So what will be circumference? It will be 2. In place of pi, write 22 by 7. And in place of r, write 40. Then you can write 22, 40 multiplied by 2, it will be 80 divided by right here 7. So this will be the distance traveled by a wheel in one revolution. Yes. So we can write distance traveled by a wheel in one revolution is equal to this one, 22 multiplied by 80, which is divided by 7 centimeter. And speed of car is given 66 km per hour. That means distance traveled by car in 1 hour is 66 km. So right here distance traveled by car in 1 hour is equal to 66 km. Here distance is given in kilometer and here it is centimeter. So convert this kilometer into centimeter. So first we multiply 66 into 1000. Then it become meter. Then again multiply it by 100. So it become centimeter. Now you can write distance traveled by car in 1 hour means 60 minutes. So here we have to find out distance traveled by car in 1 minute. So in 1 minute it will be, in 1 minute it will be 66, right here 1000 multiplied by here and 100 and divide this by 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. But we have to find out distance traveled in 10 minutes. So write again distance traveled by car in 10 minutes. So multiply here by 10. Yes. So write 66 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 100, multiply it by 10 and write divided by 60. So divide this 60 by 10. 10 6 are 60. So it will be here 6. Then divide this 66 by 6. So it will be 11. So we can write 11 multiplied by 1 lakh. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be. So what will be number of revolution? Yes, right here. Number of revolution is equal to distance traveled by car in 10 minutes divided by distance traveled in a revolution. Okay. So right here distance traveled in 10 minutes divided by distance traveled in 1 revolution. So distance traveled by car in 10 minutes is here 11 multiplied by 1 lakh. 3, 4, 5. And it is divided by distance traveled in 1 revolution. Distance traveled by a wheel in 1 revolution is 22 multiplied by 80, which is divided by 7. So we can write 11 into 1 lakh divided by 22 into 80. Write this 7 here. Then 11 2 ja 22. So it will be here 7 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 0, and here it will be 8 2 ja 16. Cut this 0. So it will be 70,000 divided by 16. Divide this, you will get 4375. So number of revolution will be, we can write finally, number of revolutions is equal to 4375, 4375. So this is your answer. So let us see our next question, question number 5. It is, tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, first option is given 2 units, second is pi units, third option is given 4 units, and fourth option is given 7 units. So here it is given area of circle is numerically equal to the perimeter, means circumference of the circle. So first we write what is given. So write here, given that area of a circle is equal to, perimeter means circumference. So write here, circumference of a circle. And we know that area of a circle is equal to pi r square, if r is the radius of circle, and circumference will be 2 pi r. So we can write pi r square, take this one in this side, so it will be minus 2 pi r. So it will be 0. Take common pi, so it will be r square minus 2r is equal to 0. Here we know that pi would not be 0. Pi is a constant and its value is 22 by 7. So it will be not 0. So write here, but pi is not equal to 0. So we can write r square minus 2r will be 0. Take common r, so it will be r minus 2 is equal to 0. So here r will be 0, r 2. Here r is the radius of the center, so it will be not 0. So r will be 2. That means we can write radius of circle is equal to 2 units. So option number A is right. So your answer is option number A. It is right. 2 units. Radius of circle will be 2 units. Now this exercise has been completed. I hope you understood. So see you in next video with exercise 12.2, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much for watching.